Good morning, you guys. Today, I hope you enjoy my iced coffee yesterday when I made it. Now, I'm going to just go ahead and see how it tastes um, hot. I got my water boiling, my kettle, tea kettle. Yeah. So I just want to come back because I told you guys I was going to see how it tastes hot. Again, this is the 2 creamer that I'm going to put in. I'm going to put the almond milk, the white chocolate, and these are the 2 flavors that I'm going to put. And this definitely going to be a little short video. And that's my instant coffee. Alrighty, so we'll see how this is going to taste. I was going to put a little smash of pumpkin spice, but now I just want to just try the cold and the hot before I do the pumpkin spice, if you know what I mean. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna make my coffee in my mug. Yep. Okay, just wait on my water. Okay. My water is ready. Okay, this time you guys, yesterday when I made, I only put 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to put 4, because I want to see how it tastes. 1. I don't want to make no mess. 2. 2, 3. See how this gonna be strong enough. And that's 4. Okay, now. Okay, so now I'm going to pour my water. Now I'm gonna pour my water. I'm not gonna fill it all the way up because remember I had to put my creamer and all and stuff in it. I'm just gonna pour enough to dissolve it. Okay. Okay. The water is really hot, you guys. I'm gonna stir it up. I should have my camera stand. Okay, you guys, I put this in my emergency cup just to see how much water. So yeah, 1 cup. Yeah, I just pulled it out of my thing, but 1 cup. I just wanted to, yep, it's just 1 cup. 1 cup of this right here, and this kind of strong. I guarantee. Wow, very strong. Okay, so you guys, I'm just gonna measure all the cream in the measure cup to see how much. So this is 2/3 of a cup. Sorry, you guys, I didn't even show you guys when I poured it, but yeah, that was 2/3 of the cup. And this is what I just poured in, the almond milk. And I always shake this milk, you guys. Okay, so now I'm going to put 2/3 of a cup. That's 2/3. A little bit more. Okay, that's 2/3. That's what that is, the white chocolate. I'm gonna pour it in my cup. Okay. And then I'm gonna put some put some of the flavor in it. Okay. Start with my vanilla. That's enough, probably. Like that. Then caramel syrup. Two pumps. Okay. Swirl it around and put this in it. Oops, sorry about that, you guys. Okay, we'll see how this tastes. Okay, give it a stir. Okay, I gave it a good stir, and I kind of taste it, you guys. Yeah, you could taste the coffee, the instant coffee. And that's how I make my hot coffee. Okay, you guys, so that's how my coffee look when it's hot. I made it hot this time. And I think that form right there. And so to make it like the designer, you know how you put whipped cream and little crumb or whatever that is, cinnamon or they use. That's all that needed. But this right here is the Mocha. That's why I got the little foam. But anyway, that's my coffee, you guys, and it tastes really good. So I might kind of, hopefully, I'll go ahead and do the pumpkin spice. Okay, I didn't want my coffee to get cold, so I put the lids back on here, you guys. So yeah, you saw how I look. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Show them my coffee this morning on my cooking channel. And share with your friends and family as well. Subscribe, you know, I really appreciate it. And if you guys are always coming back to my cooking channel, but you guys haven't subscribed yet, please be kind and subscribe. I really, really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see, and if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it. God bless. Because if you guys haven't subscribed yet, you know, if you subscribe, you know, it will help my cooking channel. And, you know, that's why I just keep, you know, saying that and stuff. But anywho, if you guys, again, like I said, if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. And this is just an upload. This is today. This is on Saturday morning, October the 5th, 2024. So yeah, so each time that I post something that's, you know, but I really don't say the date, guaranteed this is live, okay? This is the same day I made it, okay? Alrighty, so today, hope you guys, you know, make this. This is something that I'd like to change up on my coffee. Yeah, especially, you know, especially the star, but, you know, I just want to, you know, just make my own version. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye. Okay, you guys, so this is what I'm going to eat with my coffee. Scrambled some eggs. And then I just like to sprinkle some of this on it. It's got everything. Black pepper salt. Yeah, got everything on it. Oops. Okay. Didn't mean to put too much on it. Okay, so I had some Angus beef steak with hash green chili. I just put it in there. What I'm doing, I'm making me a breakfast burrito. Yes, see. But I'm still using this, the breakfast sausage or the bacon. I'm using the Angus beef steak. See how I got that garlic? Yeah. So that's what I'm making for breakfast, you guys. My breakfast burrito along with the coffee. So I just attached this, you know, when I made my coffee, I just attached my breakfast at the end of this video. Yep. Okay, so now I'm going to spread some cheese. I split it in half. Okay. If I could do it. Got one hand, you guys. Sorry about that. But this is how I do it. Fucking melt it. Like that. Then put some more on that side. Okay. So I'm going to heat the bottom part up. So that way when I put this on top of that, it'll melt that cheese. But yeah. See how he's doing it? Yeah. This is my breakfast burrito. Okay, see how I put the first layer? Then I put the second layer. Okay, that's it. So now we're to roll it up. That's my breakfast burrito, you guys. Rolled up in a foil. This how they sell it, like on a food truck. Or, you know, easy. You want to make easy money, sell the breakfast burrito. I bet that's a hit. You know, some people, you know, come and sell their burrito on their company job, and they'll buy it. Really, really good idea, you know, to sell it at your job, work, you know, or just, you know, just sell it to make extra money. I guarantee. And that's how I rolled it up. So I'm going to show you how I fold it. And that's how they fold it. My breakfast burrito. And you can always freeze this, you guys, or put it, say, you know, you make a lot of this, you know, in the morning time. Say you don't want to, if you're in a hurry going to work, you can always pre-make this and put it in the refrigerator. Good idea. All right. Until then, again, I'll see you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye.